What if I told you that you can turn basic ingredients into a meal that took only 10 minutes to whip up? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you 3 vegetarian flavor bases so that you can whip up easy, wholesome meals throughout the week without compromising on the flavor. Think of these as your complete flavor system, one that builds your meals, one that brightens your meals, and one that balances your meals. Subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive right in. First up is my all-in-one gravy base, and that's your meal builder. This is like the backbone of all the rich curries that you can make, such as chickpeas, kidney beans, black beans, or even tofu or paneer. And I have my tofu recipe linked here for you guys to check out, where you can use this base to whip up that meal within minutes. Next is my brightness booster, or the main classic cilantro mint chutney, which is an Indian household staple. And all you need to do is add all the ingredients I have mentioned in the description into the blender, add some ice cubes and blend it. You can actually meal prep it way in advance and either freeze it or store it in the fridge for a week and use it throughout to brighten up your meals. You can add it to sandwiches, such as these delicious paneer sliders that I make, and I have linked that recipe here for you guys. In general, you can literally use it like a dip. You can pour it on your salads as a salad dressing. So there are multiple uses for this one as well. So it's good to have it prepped in the back of your fridge. Finally, the cooling component or the balancing component, which is like a spiced yogurt base, as I call it. So this basically has all the spices, and those have been mentioned in the description as well, along with some fresh herbs, and you just mix it with the yogurt. If you use Greek yogurt, it will be a little thicker, so you can use it for dips. But if you add a little bit of water to thin it out, you can use it for salad dressings as well. Another fun use of this, which is very common, is using the yogurt as a salad base. You add grated carrots, grated beetroot, or any other things like grated cucumbers to it, and literally you have like a fresh, delicious salad ready within minutes for you to enjoy. In fact, you can also pair this with the cilantro mint chutney that I showed earlier, and this goes really well on Indian street food dishes like chaat, or basically with chickpeas and stuff like that. So I think these two complement each other really well. And that's your complete flavor system. No more staring at your fridge and no more ordering takeout. Now, if you're from an Indian household, you probably know all of these recipes already, and there are tons of videos out there to show you all the different variations. But the real value is not just these three specific bases, it's the fact that you can build your own component system according to your own needs. And the way it works is you build that routine where you have some components that you can rely on throughout the week, especially if you're super busy. And hopefully this video sparks some inspiration to build your own component system that works for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.